Uptrace has a built-in MCP server. That means you can use Claude Code or Codex to create dashboards, query metrics, and explore your telemetry data. In this video, we'll use Claude Code. Copy the command from the MCP page and run it in your terminal. This connects Claude Code to your Uptrace project. Now start Claude Code. Ask Claude what Uptrace tools are available. It connects through MCP and returns the full list: dashboards, metrics, monitors, and tracing. Let's create a Docker containers dashboard. One command. Claude handles the rest. Claude finds the right template, builds the configuration, and creates the dashboard directly in your project. Let's switch to Uptrace and see the dashboard that was just created. You can keep going. Let's add separate dashboards for network traffic and disk I/O, built from scratch using available metrics. 3 dashboards created in under 2 minutes. Network throughput, dropped packets, disk read and write, all tracked per container. All 3 dashboards are live in Uptrace immediately. The network dashboard shows traffic per container and interface, receive and transmit rates, and dropped packets. Switch to grid view to see time series charts for each metric. Uptrace MCP turns your observability platform into a conversational interface.